Hello dear students, today we will discuss the last topic of our second chapter and that is nitrogen fixation. Dear students, firstly we will discuss the definition of nitrogen fixation. The process of conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into useful nitrogen compounds is called fixation of nitrogen or nitrogen fixation. Now dear students, how atmospheric nitrogen changes into compound form? Let us understand. Firstly, let us take example of one element of nitrogen, one element of hydrogen, and three element of oxygen. When they combine, they form nitric acid. Dear student, this nitric acid is a compound. इसी को हम कंपाउंड बोलते हैं जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा एलिमेंट आपस में केमिकल कंबाइन होते हैं. So dear student, what is nitrogen fixation? It is the process in which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into useful nitrogen compound. That process is called nitrogen fixation. Dear students, there are two ways by which atmospheric nitrogen is fixed. First one way is natural fixation of nitrogen and second is artificial fixation of nitrogen. So firstly we will discuss about natural fixation of nitrogen. Dear students, natural way of fixation of nitrogen we have learned in previous topic, that is symbiotic bacteria, which helps to fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the roots of leguminous plants like peas, beans, pulses. In these kind of crops, the symbiotic bacteria like rhizobium fix the atmospheric nitrogen in its roots in the form of nodules, as you can see in this pic. The bacterium rhizobium fix the atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into the nitrates. These nitrates get mixed up in the soil when the plants decay after some time. The plants decay होते हैं तो after degradation of that plant, those nutrients get mixed in soil. वो soil में mix हो जाते हैं. Dear students, second natural way to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds is lightning. During rain, when lightning strikes, nitrogen and oxygen of the air react to form nitric acid. एटमॉस्फेयर में जो नाइट्रोजन गैस होती है और ऑक्सीजन, जब लाइटनिंग होती है तो लाइटनिंग की वजह से वो नाइट्रिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. दिस नाइट्रिक एसिड कम्स डाउन टू द अर्थ विद द रेन वाटर एंड रिएक्ट विद द लाइमस्टोन इन द सॉइल, जो बेसिक नेचर में होता है. तो लाइमस्टोन के साथ जब नाइट्रिक एसिड रिएक्ट करता है तो क्या बनाता है? नाइट्रेट्स. These nitrates are absorbed by plants through their roots and help them to make protein. तो वही nitrates को जब plants absorb करते हैं with the help of roots, तो वो उस nitrates की हेल्प से अपनी प्रोटीन बनाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से प्लांट आगे बड़े होते हैं, उनकी ग्रोथ होती है. Now dear students, second way to fix the atmospheric nitrogen is artificial fixation. In artificial fixation, the atmospheric nitrogen is used for the production of many chemical compounds such as ammonia, nitric acid, etc. Then after these chemical compounds are used in the manufacture of many fertilizers such as ammonium nitrate, urea, calcium cyanamide, etc. These fertilizers provide the nitrogen to plants and plants convert these nitrogen into proteins. Now dear students, as we all know that our atmosphere contain total 78% of nitrogen, and this proportion of nitrogen remains same even after the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds. नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड में कन्वर्ट होने के बाद भी इसकी जो अमाउंट है, प्रोपोर्शन है, वो 78% ही रहती है. कैसे रहती है? इट इज़ ड्यू टू नाइट्रोजन साइकिल. वो नाइट्रोजन साइकिल की वजह से होता है. तो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट नाइट्रोजन साइकिल. इन नाइट्रोजन साइकिल, फर्स्टली एटमोस्फियरिक नाइट्रोजन changes into nitrates. In the right side you can see with the help of lightning nitric acid बनता है. Then after nitric acid when react with base it change into nitrates. और atmospheric nitrogen can change into nitrogenous compounds with the help of symbiotic bacteria, जो plants की roots में होता है. वो right side पे आप देख सकते हो. atmospheric nitrogen nitrogenous compound में change हो सकती है. Then after nitrates is taken by the roots of plants for growth of plants. वो नाइट्रेट्स की फॉर्म में भी हो सकती है और नाइट्रोजनस कंपाउंड जो हम फूड डालते हैं प्लांट्स को, वो भी हो सकता है. then these plants are eaten by animals, then plants protein directly goes to animals, or plants after decaying they changes into ammonium salts in the soil, or when the animals dies they also changes into ammonium salt. Then after ammonia salt changes into nitrites with the help of nitrosifying bacteria, and nitrifying bacteria changes the nitrites into nitrates, and again nitrates change into atmospheric nitrogen with the help of denitrifying bacteria. So dear students, this cycle repeats again and again in nature. So this is called nitrogen cycle. So one time more we will discuss the nitrogen cycle. Firstly, the atmospheric nitrogen change into nitrates due to lightning, or atmospheric nitrogen changes into nitrogenous compound with the help of symbiotic bacteria. Then after nitrates are taken up by the plants as a plant food for the growth, and nitrogenous compounds also taken up by the plants. Then after the plants are eaten up by animals and plant protein changes into animal proteins. Now when some plants dies they change into ammonium salt in the soil after decaying, and when animals die they also change into ammonium salt in the soil. After dear students, nitrosifying bacteria changes ammonium salt to nitrites. जो nitrosifying bacteria है वो ammonium salt को nitrites में change कर देता है, and then after nitrites changes into nitrates again with the help of nitrifying bacteria, and again at the last denitrifying bacteria changes nitrates into atmospheric nitrogen. So dear students, this cycle repeats in nature again and again. So thus that's why this cycle is called नाइट्रोजन साइकिल. इसीलिए इसको नाइट्रोजन साइकिल बोलते क्योंकि ये बार बार रिपीट होता रहता है. तो जो टोटल अमाउंट है प्रोपोर्शन है नाइट्रोजन की 78% वो ऐसे ही मेंटेन रहती है नेचर में. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस वन वाज द लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. सो नाउ रिलेटेड टू टुडेज लर्निंग फ्यू क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. प्लीज ट्राई टू अटेम्प्ट एट होम. थैंक यू.